this whole unit I've got to replace.
First thing you do is shut off the water to the water closet and make sure that you flushed it and got all the water out. Once you've got all the water drained out of the water closet, you go under and you're going to unscrew the connector from the water to the closet itself. Then you got to pull this little thing out of there, and then we're going to go ahead and we're going to unscrew the bolt that holds it all in. Then you just lift it out and it's done. That one's out. Now you can put your new one in. All right, so you got to put this little washer on the inside where it goes onto the tank. You got to smush it in there. And then you're just going to shove it through there. And then you just got to put that bolt that we just took off back on. It's very simple. Just make sure you set it in there so that you can get to the little nipple where the water comes out, which is towards the back. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to screw our bolt on. And we're just going to wrap it around there as fast as we can and tight as we can. And then we're going to put our water supply back together. And Bob is your uncle. You'll be ready to fill it with water and test it. Okay, so now we got to hook our water up. So we got to get that little nipple inside that little port there. And then we're going to pull our little bolt thing that screws on top of that up and tighten that down. All right, so you push your hose onto your universal flow valve nipple here, and then you've got to hook it onto the flush valve or the top of the flush valve with this little connector, and the water flows down that little thing and then comes out the bottom and fills the tank. It's pretty simple. You just got to smush it on there like that. Bam, done. All right, next step, we're going to turn on the water and fill the tank up. Just going to go down there and righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. And there we go. We're going left, and now you can hear it starting to fill up, and bam.
Now the question is, when it starts to fill, are we going to have a leak? Looking good. There she goes. Seems to be working.